Hello fellas, we have the Dewalt Flexvolt battery, 9 amps, 54 volts or 20, okay. And the problem is that only one light locks up, the charger blinking fast red, so it's faulty. Someone was here, definitely. Okay, what we have here? Yeah, something soldered here. And yeah, 2.78. Can we get to this one? 2.5. Okay. Let's try to check here. 16. 1647, and here I definitely have 4 volts, so it's this one seems to like to be dead. 4.1, yeah, and this, the bottom one, just shows zeros. Okay, I hate Dewalt batteries, and yeah, this one was cutted. Take this out. Okay, maybe not bad. And that cells I think have died. And okay, I think the one cell was replaced here. It looks like it was replaced, and I think this one is good, and that replaced cell is dead. So what can we try to do here? Try to disconnect this soldering. Okay, and yeah, we have 0 here. Okay, now I can test the main battery, but I think it's must be good. Okay, yeah, 4.1. I will test this one. 4 point almost 1. Okay, there I can test more. Yes, you have some light. Okay, so first thing we need to do, we need to get replacement cell for this one. It's a Sunny L and here, and okay, I don't have in the place, so we need to get replacement for this one. Okay, got a replacement cell pack, and I don't know, seller told that it's the same ones, just clear ones. Maybe. Okay, so the positive goes here. Pressing it in, and I don't like this plate, so I think I will just solder the wires and put the new strips. Okay, basically we'll do the same with this one. We'll just try to solder the wire and replace the strip. We have a nice strip. Okay. And I believe the second one must be in the same length. Okay, the wire is disconnected. Okay. Yep, good. Okay, nice, I have catched it. Okay, why it's not releasing it? Okay. I will press this strip a little bit down. Okay, we have two, so now I need to try to charge it and check what will happen.